Welcome back. My name is Atisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the third question of practical number 14 of mobile application development, that is, write a program to display 15 buttons using a grid view. That is the third question. So in the last part we have seen how to use the list view. Now we will see the grid view to display the 15 buttons. So for this, create a new project, name it as grid view, and then in the activity main.xml file, like in the list view, we need to take here a grid view from the design. So grid view, take a grid view. Here it is not showing anything. It will be directly shown in the output like a list view. So here we have used the attributes of grid view, that is Android num columns, that is number of columns. So how many columns you want in the grid view? So grid view is like, for example, a photo gallery in mobile. Grid view is look like this. So grid view is look like this. So we have selected their number of columns, num columns attribute, that is 3. So it will form a 3 columns. Like this, you can see here 3 columns are there. So by using that attribute. Now next is the horizontal spacing, that is 30 dp. Means between the columns you can give the horizontal spacing also. So from here to here, this is the horizontal spacing you can give between columns. Next attribute is the vertical spacing. So vertical spacing, as its name implies, it is a vertical spacing, means from here to here the distance between both the buttons, that is 50. Now the 30, sorry. Now the next is the column width. Now column width is the width of the column. So width column is a 50 dp. You can see here column width. So column width is the 50 dp. Now these are the 4 attributes we have used in the grid view. So in the activity main.xml file, take a grid view and use the attributes. And then in the list view, like we have created a new activity, in this also we need to create a new activity. And in that new activity, activity grid view.xml, we need to take a button. So we can show the buttons in the grid view. Like a question, show a 15 buttons by using a grid view. So we need to take a button, not 15 buttons. We will use an array for it. Just take one button. Like this. In the relative layout, I have taken one button and use the button attributes. That is background tint to give the background color for the button. Text color, which will be the color of text of the button. That is button text color is a black, and background tint. By using background tint attribute, here the color is green. So like this we can show the attributes of button. So in the main activity.java, we need to show a 15 buttons. So for showing a 15 buttons, we need to create an array again. Now here they create a object of a grid view, that is G. Now array name is a list, and here question was show a 15 buttons by using a grid view. So we need to give a names to the button, right? So I have given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can give it any. Now there are these 15 buttons, and now we need to show the buttons by using a array adapter class. So here we have assigned the ID to the object of the grid view, and the next is the array adapter class. In the array adapter class, the parameters of array adapter class, first is the this, second is the r.layout.activity grid view. So that activity grid view is the, this is the activity grid view where we have added a button, and the next is r.id.button. So button, this button is the ID of a button. Here you can see this is the ID of a button. This is the same program like a list view, but only the difference is we have taken here a grid view, comma list. So list is the name of the array. So these 4 parameters we need to give in the ArrayAdapter class and use the method that is setAdapter by taking the object of GradView, that is g.setAdapter, and object of ArrayAdapter class, that is ArrayAdapter. So by using this we can show items to the GradView like this. We can show items to a grid view like this. So this is the grid view. Now in the next video we'll see the image view, that is the third part of the practical number 14, that is a image view. So in the next video we will see the image view. Thank you.